fat from. So I'm going to show you some of the exercises. Before I begin these exercises, I just want you to go and consult your doctor about diastasis recti, which is a condition that you get after pregnancy. A lot of people get it even before pregnancy, or even if you don't have babies, even men get it. It's basically, in simple words, it's ab separation, and it happens when your core muscle is very weak and a lot of pressure falls on your abs. So please go ahead and ask your doctor about diastasis recti. In fact, you can even go and ask for a little test to see whether you have this condition. For postnatal exercises, I prefer not to do crunches and planks because that puts a lot of pressure on your abs and your core is weak at the moment. So what I work with is a lot of side exercises and a lot of hip exercises, which will also work your abs. So this is one of the exercises that you can do for your abs. You lie down on your back, hands on the side, and do an Ardha Chakrasana. Breathe out and lift. Now when you lift, make sure that your abs are contracted. All your focus should be on your abs and on your hips. Push your hips up with your thighs, push them up and squeeze your abs in and up. Now this is very, very important and it comes with some practice. So if you don't want to pulse at this point, you should just focus on squeezing your abs in and up. You can pulse whenever you get used to this. Go down and breathe out. Breathe in, go down, breathe out. Breathe in. Repeat this, do a rep of 10 for and do 3 sets for this. And you can consequently increase your sets as you get comfortable with these exercises. Make sure that when you are going up, you push all the air, and when you're pushing all the air, do that with your abs, and just contract your abs in and up as much as possible. All the focus should be here. Now when you get up from this pose, you should always turn so that again you're not pushing your abs.